Welcome Chapter 2 BeetleBit with HuskyLens 2, Hand Gesture. In this chapter, we will explore hand gesture recognition using BeetleBit and HuskyLens 2. By the end of this video, you'll be able to control the robot using simple hand gestures. First, power on the HuskyLens 2. On the touchscreen menu, tap Hand Recognition to select the hand gesture mode. Next, we need to train the hand gestures. Hold your hand in front of the HuskyLens 2 and press the Learn button on the top right corner. While holding it, move your hand slightly around the camera, like near and far. Once done, release the button to save the gesture. Repeat this process for every gesture you want. Make sure each gesture is clear and steady during training. Now, connect your BeetleBit to your laptop using the USB cable, and turn it on. Next, click the MakeCode link provided in the tutorial page. This will open the project in MakeCode. Click Download to upload the code to the BeetleBit. Once the download is complete, the program will run automatically. When HuskyLens 2 detects Gesture ID 1, the BeetleBit moves forward. Gesture ID 2 makes the robot move backward. Gesture ID 3 turns the robot left, and Gesture ID 4 turns it right. Show different hand gestures in front of the HuskyLens 2 and observe how the BeetleBit responds. You've successfully learned how to control the BeetleBit using hand gesture recognition. Try experimenting with more hand gestures and customize the robot's actions to make it do even cooler moves. For step-by-step instructions and downloadable code, visit the full tutorial at citron.io.